As every institute, we are focused on industrial needs. We are working on hot topics. We are leading people who are working on hot topics, and also we develop our own group of study. For example, many years ago, we developed carbon equivalence equation to determine the carbon equivalent in the welding. The main objective of the Technical Management Board is to detect the hot topics by participating to all congresses and to collect feedback from industrial and also academic. Finally, the most important is to create a forum when you can share and exchange and learn a lot. Perhaps you can decide to create a forum for Ukrainian students where you can focus on hot topics you decided, and you can perhaps create a book on your job or on your study, and we can work together to publish your book. What you can do for the future is to be part of it, to participate and contribute. We directly work with ISO standards, so you can decide to take part of the working group standardization if you are interested or if you want to be involved. So you can take a part of our working group regional activity if you want to make some promotion, or you can take a part of the TME if you want to present your works and your studies. You can also create an international forum in Ukraine and also in your country, or you can decide to create a direct link between Germany, Ukraine, France, Austria, and other countries in Europe. This Congress is a great opportunity for you to create a link and to create a group and to connect with us, IAW, and perhaps to start something. I would like to give you some words about the recognition of competence, because in the IAW, your career is very important. So we develop a system of recognition and award, and there is a lot of prizes for the young people. We have the Grandjean prizes, we have the best paper prizes if you decided to be published in Welding in the World. So for your career, it's very important to collect some awards. Also, I'm sure you know the Patron prizes developed by the IAW and supported by the Ukraine. Just as I said before, you can decide to join your work and to create a book. It is something we can see in the IAW. At the present time, we have published 5 books with Springer Nature, and we have 2 books in preparation. The idea of this book is to collecting your feedback, your experiments, and to share what you learn with your study. Also, you can decide to participate to the catalogue of reference radiograph. I don't know if there is some radiograph in the room, but you can decide to have your reference radiograph in our tablet. We developed a specific market for technologies and radiographs which are directly on the ground. Belonging to the IAW is very important because I see that IAW is an association which is very recognized all around the world. During my presentation, I tried to use all around the world many times because it is the most important in the International Institute of Welding. So for us, and also, your career is very important. We have developed some prizes, just as I said before, Grandjean prizes for the young leaders. We have 4 categories. We deliver this prize every year, so it is a very great opportunity for you to postulate to these prizes. Also, you can collect the Welding in the World Best Paper Award if you decided to be published with Welding in the World. And after many years in IAW, you can be recognized after 10, 20, 30, 40, and if you are lucky, 50 years into the IAW. So for us, it's very important because if IAW is alive today, it's because of you. You are the future, you are the young, and we hope our collaboration will be as long as possible. what you can do today is to go to belong to the young professional group. We developed 2 young professional groups where there is a lot of specific programs for you. For example, during the annual assembly, we organize speed dating for meeting you. We organize some challenge because we know that young people like challenge. By the end, I just would like to say some more about the annual assembly. This year, it takes place in Shanghai, in China. And also, I would like to present you Young Congress in August in Germany, organized with the DVS. So please participate or have a look on the website. And I hope all the best for you, for your future and for your career. Thank you.